Hey YouTube, I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video, but the reason I'm coming to you today is you can tell based on the title anyway that it's going to be an unboxing. So it's been about 2 years since I've uploaded a video, and I have the email address that's connected to this channel. I check periodically, like on very rare occasions, and I happened to check it, I think maybe last month or sometime in April, and someone reached out to me and asked if they could send me a complimentary box so I can do an opening unboxing on my channel. So I agreed to it. The box came last week Friday, and I'm just now deciding to do the video. So the name of the box is called ZaaBox. It's a luxury spa box, and I'll put all the information about it in the description box because I can't remember all the details right now. But this is how the package came. It's nice and gold. I think it's really pretty. The only thing that I did not like was on the label. It says perishable, refrigerate upon opening, and open it immediately. I didn't open it immediately. I just got the box and I put it in my refrigerator, so I'm not sure what I'm going to see or if anything's going to be, I don't know, not expired, but like broken or busted or what. So we'll see how it goes. I do like that they have a little sticker on the back with the crown on it. I think that's really cute. And a lot of all the products are full size, and they're actually Black owned. So this sounds like it's going to be exciting. So let me try to get in here. Ah. I probably should have opened the box before, the packaging before I came on video, but this is how the box looks. It's nice and pretty, nice and gold. I like that it's gold. It makes you feel kind of it's kind of special to me. Something else is in the package. Maybe this is what was considered perishable. Oh no, it's just the ice pack. Okay, so let's open and see what's inside the box. This is how it looks. I think that's really nice, very luxurious. Let me see what this little note is about. Oh, it has my name up there. You guys probably can't see, but it says Mika. And it says, "Welcome to ZaaBox." And the note says, "Dear Mika, your beauty is breathtaking, like sparkling black sands, like the shining moon at midnight. When I hold you in my arms, I hold a goddess. The kiss of the sun on your gorgeous body is all it takes and all I fall in love with. Sincerely, Mr. Strong." And Mr. Strong is the guy that, he's the owner of ZaaBox. So let's see what's inside of the package. So when you open it up, this is what you see. This little mag card says Lavender Love, and on the other side it has a description, I guess, I'm assuming, of all the products that's inside. So inside the box, there's a rose. I think it's really cute. It smells like a rose. There's also, I think it says Philip Ashley's chocolate. Just like 2 chocolate candies inside of it. So I'm not going to try it on camera. I'll eat it later. And, oh, this smells really good. It's potpourri. I'm not sure what fragrance it is, but it's really strong. It smells really good. And then there is Maddie and Daisy Bath and Shower Gel. Let's see what it smells like. It reminds me of soda. But it smells pretty good. It's kind of fresh. And there's a chocolate lavender aromatherapy soap. This actually smells really good as well. And then lavender vanilla body butter. Really light smell. The fragrances here aren't too strong. I think the strongest one was the potpourri that I showed you guys earlier. It smells pretty good, but it's the strongest smell so far. And the last thing in the box is lavender body wash. So it smells. Again, pretty light. I'm not a big lavender person, so I like that the smell is not overwhelming. Like I said, there's about 5 products that came in. They're all supposed to be full size. If you guys are interested, I actually got a coupon code 5% off. I'm going to put that information in the description box as well in case you're interested in ordering a subscription box of your own. It's a monthly box. Anyways, guys, that's it. This was a really quick video. If you would like to see more videos from me, please comment below. Like I said, I don't upload very often, but because I had this offer, um, I definitely wanted to do the unboxing. So, all right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.